Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Ceres local and long-distance movers near me. Hiring a reliable and cheap Ceres moving company doesn't need to be difficult. When you choose 3 Movers, you get a team of professionals ready to help with your local or long-distance move. Our team is ready to make sure you get to your new destination safely and quickly. No matter how far you need to move, the right moving company can make it easier. With a long-distance move, you might be crossing state lines or going all the way across the country. The last thing you need is to worry about your belongings as they are being moved. When you hire us, you don't have to do any of the loading, driving, or unloading. We can also offer the following: packing and unpacking, supplying packing material, always on time, and transparent pricing. With the right California moving company, you can enjoy a fast and easy local move. It might seem like you can handle this type of move on your own, however, you still have to rent a truck, pack up everything, load it up, unload it, and unpack. With our help, you can avoid heavy lifting and save your energy. 3 Movers offers local movers ready to streamline your moving day. We help you get settled into your new location faster. Plus, you get to avoid doing any heavy lifting. With our help, a move that would take you all weekend gets done in just a few hours. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Ceres moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.